Restoration of damaged cultural heritage sites in the Visayas continues. They include centuries-old churches in Bohol that have been damaged by last year's killer earthquake. Ria Fernandez with this report.
The government continues pre-restoration work on churches destroyed by the 7.2 magnitude earthquake October 15 of last year. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines, or NHCP, are currently doing scientific studies on the churches greatly affected by the quake, such as the Baclayon, Loay, and Dawis Church in Bohol, plus Cebu's Santo Niño Church. NHCP Chairperson Maria Serena Jocno explained how important such studies.
Kailangan nating malaman, una, kung ano ang strength ng foundation ng structure. Kung malambot siya, ano ang kailangan gawin upang palakasin ito. Kung may tubig pa sa ilalim or may tinatawag na cavity, kailangan din nating malaman.
Meanwhile, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts will be holding an experts conference on November 17 to 20. The experts will craft the Philippine standards for conservation.
In the future, kung may mangyari ulit tayo ng ganito, alam na natin kung anong gagawin natin. So, para will not just be relying on foreign experts, pero meron na tayong susundan, meron tayong babasihan kung anong pwedeng gawin natin.
In the 2015 national budget, the allocated budget for the church's restoration is 500 million pesos. If ever it fell short, NHCP can use the calamity fund. But, according to Jocno,
We were really working on a tight budget, and sa totoo lang, we were really grateful to the churches that they took, the parishioners, lalo na yung mga parishioners, that they took the initiative of, yes, donating, and nangako lang kami na pagdating ng pera, i-reimburse namin. At yun po ay nagawa na natin, no? Yeah.
for the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.